welcome to World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz. Today we're going to be doing a easy chili recipe in the crock pot. So we have our ground beef, cumin, cayenne pepper, paprika, some corn, kidney beans, sea salt, diced tomatoes, oregano, beef stock, ground beef of course, bay leaves, an onion, some habaneros, and some garlic and a little bit of chili mix. Okay, so now we just brown the meat with some onions, the garlic. We decided to change this recipe a little bit. We added some ribeye steak in there. Look at that. Make it a little bit more hearty. So we got some salt, pepper, and the meat just going with the onions and the garlic again. Just get this done, and then we're going to add it in with the other stuff in the crock pot. Put it in there, like about 8 hours, and then we're good to go. Okay, so let's check this out. It's been now a little 3 hours on high. I was going to put 8 hours on low, but I'm hungry here today. I think this might be good. What do you think, Mr. Oz?
I think that looks awesome. Scrumdiddlyumptious.
Alrighty.
All right, so here we are with world famous chili. Give this a good sample here. Excellent. Great flavor, great spice, good chili. Oh yeah. Fantastic.
World famous.